Welcome to ClickMyProject. Today we are going to see about interpreting the public sentiment variation on Twitter. Modify title: Tracking and analyzing the public opinion variation on Twitter using graph-based co-ranking algorithm. Our modified abstract: it describes about tracking and analyzing public sentiment on social networks and finding the possible reasons causing these variations. It is important to find the decision from the public use and opinion in different domains. They can be used to discover special topics and aspects in one text collection in comparison with another background text collection. Objective: to obtain a outperform baseline methods and effectively mine desired information behind public sentiment variations. Problem identification: it is a challenging problem to interpret sentiment variations. Existing methods mainly focused on modeling and tracking public sentiment. To address this problem, the system introduces interpret sentiment variations. Existing system: millions of users share their opinions on Twitter, making it valuable platform for tracking and analyzing public sentiment. Such a tracking and analysis can provide critical information for decision making in various domains. Previous research mainly focused on modeling and tracking public sentiment. Disadvantage: it is generally difficult to find the exact cases of sentiment variations since they may involve complicated internal and external factors. Reasons could be complicated and involve a number of events. Thus, events might not be equally important. Proposed system: we observed that emerging topics named foreground topics within the sentiment variation periods are highly related to genuine reasons behind the variations. A novel approach based on the partially supervised alignment model, which regards identifying opinion relation as an alignment process. Then a graph-based co-ranking algorithm is exploited to estimate the confidence of each candidate. Finally, candidates with higher confidence are extracted as opinion targets or opinion words. Advantages: it is easy to find the exact cases of sentiment variations since they may involve complicated internal and external factors. It can be used to discover special topics or aspects in one text collection in comparison with another background text collection. Flowchart for the sentiment analysis is tweets extraction related to query issue. After the completion of this process, go to modeling sentiment over queries, find out this process, and then go to selection of accurate sentiment. After this process completed, extract sentiment variation point. After this process completed, extract foreground topics. After this process completed, go to sentiment estimation. This is the flow diagram for public sentiment variation on Twitter. So next we go to see about how to run the Twitter process. First run home.java, run a file. To this page, right click the image, can able to see the another web page, another frame. Type any status into Twitter. If you type here, you will able to see this side. Okay, so type. Previously you see this sweet morning. Type right click the update status. You go to see this message in Twitter. So good afternoon. Able to see good afternoon. Okay, and then get timeline. These all are your update status. Good morning friends, this is so go to right click the next button, and then this is library, contains the list of stop words. This is positive word, list of positive word, and it is list of negative word. And then right click the next button. View this view DP list of Twitter database, and then right click the next button. You can search this some topic Modi, like search this topic, and then view button, view the related file, find the frequent word from the file, right click the next button, and then select the Twitter convention document, view the document, and then right click the next button, view the DP, enable to view the DP, and then right click the get text, and then right click the next button, remove URL, and then view, and then right click the next button, remove stop words and view the URL. Okay, and then right click the next button, get positive word and calculate, and go to next, calculate the negative words from Twitter conversation, get negative word and then calculate 18, go to next, and then find the positive, neutral, negative, and then right click the next button, view the sentiment variation on Twitter dataset for each status, sentiment, positive and negative difference, calculate the positive, calculate the negative, no neutral. This is the tracking and analyzing the public opinion variation on Twitter using graph based co-ranking algorithm. Thank you for watching.